That is a noble cause.
Yes, it is.
What I'm noticing is that my Shih Tzu, who's now 8 years old, is the older he gets, the grumpier he becomes.
And he's past middle age now, starting
Yeah.
to get up into the, I wouldn't call him an old senior citizen.
Yeah, but he's definitely in his middle
Yeah.
years. So what's happening is that he's drawing closer to my wife, and so what he wants
And
to
he doesn't like you as much, is that what you're saying?
It hurts. I think he's suffering from a little dementia.
No, he just knows better now.
But I love him to death. All right, guys, our weather pattern is going to be not only beautiful tomorrow, but it's going to extend all the way into the weekend. So if you got plans to go to the Lavelle Edwards Stadium on Saturday night, is this weather pattern going to be affecting the folks down there along the Wasatch Front? And the answer is yes. It is going to be very warm. First half of the game, temperatures are going to be in the 80s. In fact, at the BYU campus there in Provo, the high temperatures are going to be in the low 90s that day. Halftime, it's going to be about 80 degrees. And by the fourth quarter, I think temperatures are still going to be right around the mid 70s. So it is going to be nice. It's not going to be like that nice cool blast we had for the football game for the home opener last Friday. Blue skies, what a gorgeous day it has been. This is a live shot once again here from the top of Brundage, so we could see the lake and we could see the mountains, and off in the distance the skies are just absolutely magnificent. So is there any shower activity in the western United States? Well, with the Doppler radar we can scan the skies and look and see, and there's one area that continues to see a little scattering of showers, and it's right around southern Arizona. Kind of an interesting flow here. Typically a monsoon flow goes from the east out here toward the west, but this one's going from the west toward the east. It's definitely generating some showers around the Tucson area in and around some of the mountains, the White Mountains to the north there of the Phoenix area as well. 89 degrees has been the high so far today. The average is 81 degrees, and there's the record for this date, 97 degrees set back in 1990. Last night the temperatures dropped down to 58 degrees, and outside right now that high of 89 is the current temperature, so I think that we can spike up into the low 90s today. Nampa is at 88. Look at Caldwell, already at 90. Mountain Home is already at 92 degrees. And McCall right now also very warm at 81 degrees. So these temperatures are just going to continue to go up over the next few days. And this is the reason why jet stream has retreated all the way up into Canada. And here's this large area of high pressure I've been talking about. Well, it's getting stronger. The stronger the high pressure gets, the warmer the temperatures go. The high pressure is going to continue to hang around much of the Great Basin. So look for a toasty weekend with a southerly flow in place. Hot, dry desert air working its way right into the state of Idaho. If you have outdoor plans for the weekend, it's going to be almost summer-like, but it's going to be guaranteed very, very dry weather through Sunday. And then on Monday and Tuesday, we start to see some changes as a storm system starts rolling in from the Pacific Northwest. That will help to cool things down. So here's the forecast then. Computer models showing no changes tomorrow. Storm track still to the north. Blue skies and sunshine all the way on Saturday. Saturday is the day that we could see near record high temperatures. So here's how warm it gets. Tomorrow I'm forecasting a high of 92 degrees. On Saturday, 94. So Saturday is the day that we could see near record heat. Sunday will start to back it off into the low 90s, but it's going to be gorgeous. Sunny skies, just a perfect weekend. And then on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, notice I'm painting some clouds in the forecast, and look at the temperature readings dropping down into the low 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Will we see any showers? We'll have to see what happens with this trough that comes in, but I think the mountains will see some showers late Monday and around Wednesday of next week, with temperatures dropping into the 60s. But if you got plans to go up into the mountains this weekend, all I could tell you is you picked a good one, because it's going to be gorgeous. This is a kind of scenario, Brent, where this high pressure is so strong that I can almost say I guarantee that we're going to have sunshine, sunny skies, no rain in the forecast through Sunday. That's how dry and stable this air mass is.
And that's a good guarantee to have going into a weekend.
Going into a weekend, yes indeed.
Roland, thank you.
My pleasure.